Hello and welcome back to my craft room. Guess what I got? A bit of a clue in the little box there, the little window there. I ordered a little while ago. Ohh Deer were having a sale, and Ohh Deer is where the Artful Boxes come from. They were having a bit of a sale on some previous boxes and other things, and so I thought I'd treat myself. I ordered the screen printing box, which came with the add-on box, the upgrade box I think they call it. Oh, well, I'm making a pig's ear of this. Okay, so I've just taken everything out of the box because that was just a bit too noisy and chaotic. Here we go. So this is what I ordered. It's the screen printing box, which is one of their previous quarterly subscription boxes, and it came with the free upgrade box as well, which I think has got extra colours and things in. I can't remember now. So should we have a look and see what's inside? I'm not going to actually do any screen printing today, but I can't resist having a look. It's a very heavy box. It's a very heavy box and only just barely shuts. So let's have a look. I did screen printing many years ago at art school. So you always get all of this, telling you all about it. Just think this is such a good opportunity to set myself up with screen printing. So we've got our squeegee here. I don't know if that's what it's still called, but that's what we used to call it. Quite often with lots of the boxes they put in these little greetings cards with envelopes. Sorry, that's all that ink all over my hand. That's another story and another video. Okay, so we've got those, which you quite often get in these boxes. And then we've got the acrylic, I suppose it's ink, water-based, fast drying, mix well before use. If used for screen printing, wash screen thoroughly after use. So we've got red, black, yellow and blue. Lovely. And this obviously is the actual screen. It's very lightweight, the screen actually, which surprises me. I haven't got enough room here. I don't want to damage my screen. They're so thoughtful with their packaging, so it would be quite hard to get your hand in there and get that pad out, but there's always this little tab here, look, so you can lift it out easily. Isn't that nice? Thoughtful. So we've got a mixed media pad, 25 sheets, £140, 300 GSM, so it's going to be pretty weighty paper. It's got a slight texture to it, but not too much. It's a nice soft white actually, it's not that kind of brilliant white. So that's the paper, and then you always get the magazine. It's really more than a magazine, it's more of a book, to be honest. They're really good. Probably there's not a whole load, there's not advertising or anything, and they're really in-depth articles and inspiration and tutorials. I love that kind of whole pop art thing. So I have a really good look through that later. Oh, it always leaves you itching to have a go, which is exactly what you want, of course. Brilliant. So I'm pleased with that. And then there's one more thing in the bottom here. Oh no, two more things. There's a brush as well. Very beautiful looking brush. I've always liked the Artful brushes so far. That's a number 2 round. Oh, of course, this is the kind of film stuff that you put on the screen, like a mask kind of thing. So you've got some sort of cut out shapes there. Lots of little shapes there. Okay, we'll find out a bit more about that in a minute, or I'm sure somewhere here it will tell me about the supplies. So with these Artful boxes, it's a kind of a surprise box. It's quarterly. It's $39.95 quarterly. I've always thought they're good value, what I've had. I am probably going to stop them because after I've retired and I've got to cut back a few things. But you can see how good value it is, you know, and the fact that you get everything you need to start a new hobby. A couple of times I've had things that I've got already, but that's just, you know, that's just how it is. When you start subscribing, you don't kind of wait for the next one that's due. I suppose because it's quarterly, that could be quite a long wait. What they do is they allow you to choose from the previous boxes. So for my first one, I chose lino printing, which I loved it. I've used that a lot since. That's partly why I've got some more of these while I was at it, because they were a good price. And this was another one that I looked at and kind of nearly chose at the time, and yeah, decided on the lino printing instead. But when I saw this one come up in the sale with the, you know, including the upgrade box, I just thought, yeah, I've got to go for it. Aluminium ATT. I don't know what ATT means. Oh, 80 threads per centimetre, so that's about how fine it is. White mesh screen. Recommended retail price on that is supposed to be £24.95. I've no idea if that's normal or not. Yeah, sometimes, you know, the recommended retail price is a lot higher than what you could actually get, that you could find online somewhere. So, but it gives you an idea. So 4 Artful screen printing acrylic paints. Total recommended retail price £14, so £3.50 each. Seems reasonable. Exclusive to Artful Daily Rowney masking fluid. I didn't see masking fluid. Oh, missed a bit, haven't I? That's in tissue. Ooh, what a lot you get in this box, don't you? Brilliant. I'm very impressed with this. Artful squeegee. Artful mixed stencil set vinyl stickers. So that's those black label things. So they're vinyl stickers which can be used as a stencil. I guess you can either use the outlines as a stencil or the insides as a mask. Number 2 round brush. They're saying that brush would be £5.95. That's probably fair enough actually. Mixed media paper £14.50. Yeah. Squeegee £7.95. That's probably. Blank greetings cards and envelopes £4. And this very magazine, £7.95. Kind of feel like that's a bit of an arbitrary value, saying £7.95. Would I pay £7.95 for that as a magazine? Magazines are very expensive these days, aren't they? And it's a magazine with no adverts or anything. It's just the bits you want. So yeah, I probably would. So if we added all this up roughly, so 25, it's over 80 quid's worth if you take the recommended retail price. So for £39.95 seems pretty reasonable, and it's all put together for you, and you've got the lovely sort of inspiration here. You also get lots of inspirational videos you get a link to. That's probably inside here somewhere. There's a link to the videos. And this is the kind of thing I will be using the contents of this box for years. Obviously eventually you run out of the paints, but you know. Oh, look, got a nice, very smart 5-inch palette knife for this one. I suppose for spreading the ink, maybe? I don't know. Washi tape. Look at the packaging, it's good, isn't it? Look at that. I love that the packaging isn't plastic. That's a huge plus to me. I haven't got a whole load of plastic to have to throw away. Just goes to show they can make really nice, functional, attractive packaging with no plastic. Yeah, that's quite cute washi tape actually. I like that. And then the rest of it is the colours, extra colours. So we've got a white, that's always good, isn't it, to have a white. Beautiful vibrant orange. An ultramarine blue, so we've got 2 blues now. Which is nice because they're a different kind of blue, aren't they? And then we've got a lovely bright green. So that's an amazing range of colours. I've got something else in the bottom here as well. So this must be, oh yeah, these are just like plain sheets. I guess you cut to whatever shape you want. And then there's some more cutouts here. Oh look, and letters. So they're just geometric shapes. And then we've got letters here. Right, so here is everything I got in the screen printing box with the upgrade that's on sale together at the moment. I will try to remember. I will find out what the price was and I'll put it up on the screen now. I think the sale is still on, and for that price at the moment you get the upgrade box included. So altogether for that price I got the actual screen, the squeegee, the palette knife, the paintbrush, masking tape, masking fluid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colours of acrylic ink, the little pack of, oh dear, the little pack of greetings cards, 2 lots of the vinyl stickers that you can use like as stencils or masks, the amazing magazine, which I would really call a book, and a really nice quality mixed media paper pad. So I mean, I am thrilled to bits with that. For that price, that's amazing. I would suggest, if you like the idea of getting into screen printing or any of the other, I mean the lino printing one is amazing. I don't know if they got a similar thing with that with all of the boxes. I think they had. I don't think it was just this one. I think they were given the upgrade box with it, but you have to check that out. I will leave a link to the website so you can check it out for yourself. Even if I now have to stop having the boxes regularly, I'm really pleased I've treated myself to this, because I think I'll be using it for years to come. And I will make a little video in a few days showing you how I get on with all of this once I've had a chance to have a good look through the magazine and everything. I keep calling it a magazine, it's really a book. And yeah, can't wait to get started. This is just, you know, this is what you want out of art supplies. You want them to make you think, oh, I want to get creating. That's what you want. Yeah. Okay, anyway, enough waffle. That's all I got for you today. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that little peek. That's it. I'll see you again really soon. Bye.